I went fishing at my local market and I came back with a lot of salt cod, one of the all-time Greek favorite fish. You have to desalt it before you use it. It's been in the water for a couple of days. You want to change that water every couple of hours. You want to cut it into smaller pieces and take off the skin. I boiled the cleaned, skinned for 5 or 7 minutes, basically just to soften it up a little bit. The first thing is just shred the poached cod a little bit. The first thing that goes into this is a slightly beaten egg. The egg, it's what will hold the croquettes together. My onion next, a little parsley, baking soda, which makes the croquettes really fluffy. I'm just gonna mix that all together. Need a little pepper. Flour, just enough to hold this together. Sometimes you just have to get in there with your hands. I like to make the fritters on the small side, and I shape them into little oblong croquettes, one at a time into the frying pan. You want them to be nice and crisp on the outside. A couple of minutes aside, yeah, look at that beautiful golden color. I'm just gonna finish frying these and then I'm going to enjoy them with that beautiful skordalia. I can't wait to try my cod croquettes. They're so light, not at all salty, just really well seasoned. They have that beautiful herbaceousness from all that parsley.